Assalamualaikum student. I hope you will be fine. In first part of the video we discussed introduction of computer and the first category is computer by size we have discussed. Computer by size has a 5 point. What were microcontrollers, microcomputers, mini computers and mainframe computers, supercomputer. The second category is now the second category is computer by speed. The first topic is digital computer. Digital computers work on digits which are actually binary digits. Each digits represent either or 0 volt or 1 5 volts. Now most computers dealing with numbers are digital. A digital thermometer gives you the temperature in digit 37.3 degrees Celsius centigrade. A digital watch tell you the time in digit 10 hours 50 minutes and 14 seconds. Now I want to explain again. Digital computer is the most common used type of computer and is used to process information with qualities by using digit, usually using the binary system. Computer by speed, analog computers. Analog computer recognize data as a continuous measurement of a physical quantity. The output of an analog computer is usually in the form of reading on dials or graphs. Analog thermometer measures temperature by comparing how far mercury moves along a scale. Voltage, pressure and speed are few examples of the physical property which are also measured in the same way. An analog computer is a type of computer that uses that continuously changeable aspect of physical phenomena such as electrical, mechanical and hydraulic quantity to model the problem being solved. The third one is hybrid computer. This form of computer is now getting popular and being commonly used. It is a combination of digital and analog computers. Hybrid computers receive data from different measurements like speed, flow of liquid, pressure, weight, etc. and convert them into digit. These digits can be seen on monitor or LCD screen. Hybrid computers are computers that exhibit features of analog computers and digital computers. Now, the next one is computer by purpose. In the first topic is special purpose computer. A computer which is designed especially to do a specific job by pressing few buttons provided on them. Video game, digital watches, calculator, radars, flight control system, robot are few examples of special purpose computer. The special purpose computer is, as you know, are generally designed to solve repeatedly in accordance with previously prepared programs. Periodic or continuous changes occur into data. The second and last one is Yes, this is the last topic of this chapter. General purpose computer. A computer which is designed to do many tasks is termed as a general purpose computer. For example, writing letters, application memos and drawing pictures. It is also used in small business. As we know, general purpose computer is one that, given the appropriate application and required time, should be able to perform most common computing tasks. I hope student you can understand reading and explanation. I will start the chapter number 1 exercise on my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.